guys, and thanks for coming back for another video. Alright guys, so today we're going to clean up some leaves, but instead of leaf blowing or raking, I'm going to try it a different way. So today we're going to suck the leaves up. So let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, so here we have it. This is the Black & Decker 3-in-1 vac pack. And the reason it's called 3-in-1 is because it's a leaf blower, a vacuum, and a mulcher. But the main reason I purchased this was for the vacuum ability. If you guys seen my videos, you guys should know I have a bunch of leaves because of these trees right here. Let me show you guys real quick. So all of these leaves all around, and the main reason is because of these trees right here. And where I live at, around, I would say starting December, January, it gets really windy, and it just starts blowing leaves everywhere. Look at this real quick. We got piles over here, and so I started looking on Amazon, and I found this, and I decided, you know what, let me give it a try, see if it's easier, if I like it better than the traditionally I would. If you guys seen me before, I would get the leaf blower, go on top, and start leaf blowing everything down here. After that, I would go with the lawnmower and, you know, kind of do it that way. It works pretty good, but I just, you know what, I want to try a different way, see if it's easier, if I, you know. So I found this on Amazon, guys. I'm gonna put the link in the description if you guys are interested. But yeah, let's open up the box and take a look. So this is the first thing I took out. This looks to be like the vacuum part right here. The little attachment. The nozzle. Let's see. This is the bag. I think you can put it on like a backpack. So it looks pretty big, so it looks like it's gonna be able to hold a decent amount. It looks pretty good. The attachment for the vacuum. Here's the actual leaf blower and vacuum itself. Feels pretty good. Has a really nice weight to it. Actually, it's not too light. It feels kind of heavy and sturdy. There's a plug-in. Okay. Got this other little nozzle attachment. And more attachments. Okay guys, sorry, I thought I was recording when I wasn't, but basically you're gonna add these two pieces right here together real quick. They just get aligned, press them in, and it clicks in. Next step, you're gonna grab right here, the motor basically. You're gonna flip it over, you're gonna see this little hole right here. You're gonna enter, I'm using a screwdriver, you're gonna use a screwdriver, this bottom, the fan, I think it's called the fan cover, it's gonna come out. And we're going to attach that hose to this, that nozzle to this. Just go ahead and use a screwdriver. So this comes off. So this is going to look like underneath. Then we're going to attach this piece to this. Just like that looks. They actually line up kind of. Press it. It's gonna click. Alright, so next what we're gonna do is just attach this piece right here to the end right here. Now I think on the directions it asks, it actually wants you to put this bag on first, but I don't know, I just felt like it would be easier if I have it laid down. So once you have this, I'm gonna go ahead and press it in, just like that, until it clicks. So this is gonna get attached to your bag, and all the leaves are going to go in there as they get mulched up. And that's pretty much it. Let me put it on the bag so you guys can see what it looks like. I have the backpack on. It feels like a regular school backpack basically. So it definitely is easier if this is off. Let's try to show you. So you would definitely put on the bag first and then attach this after. And there it is. So let's go plug this in and see how it does. But let's turn it on, see how loud it is. Alright, I'm gonna try this on, I forgot what this is called. Like, pretty much like a loud extra boost mode. I think it's called boost mode or something like that. See how it sounds like. Yeah, it definitely sounds louder. It reminds me of like a jumper. You know, the kid's jumper. When you got that blower, that's pretty much what it sounds like. Just as loud as that. Alright, let's start sucking. Alright guys, don't do what I did. Make sure your bag is closed. But let me close the bag and continue. So I just completely forgot about the bag. But in order to tie this, you're gonna keep folding this right about to the red lines up, and then use these clips. So go ahead and click it in. Okay, now we should be good to go. Okay, I was noticing that it looked like it was getting stuck, but I think the issue is, if you guys see right here, I have a lot of tiny little branches, and I think that's getting stuck in between right here, and it's blocking the leaves from going in. So I mean, technically it's supposed to be just for leaves, I think. I had to look back to see if it said anything about branches, but the leaves, when there's no branches, it's picking it up pretty fast. And right now I have it on the just regular mode. I'm gonna put it on the boost and see if that makes a difference. Alright, so if you guys saw in the video, once I put it on the boost mode, I think it's called, it definitely works way better. It was able to suck up a lot of little branches, but if it's too many of the little branches, like these, you know, like I said, it would kind of block the other leaves from going in, so it would get stuck here and there. But just move it around, ends up sucking it up, and then mulches up even the little tiny branches. But honestly, it's kind of fun. It's like having a little wood chipper on your back. It's pretty cool. So let me finish up, and I'll give you my final thoughts. suction was kind of dying, and that means your bag is full. So let's go ahead and empty this and see how it looks. I would definitely suggest unclipping this before you remove your bag. Let's take a look in here. Oh yeah. All right, let's empty it. There you go, guys. As you can see, I mean, I was looking, it doesn't really say anything about branches, but if you look at the picture on the box, there's tiny branches like this. Now it does suck them up, it does mulch them a little bit, nothing crazy. I guess the only downside is sometimes they're too long. They're gonna block the airway, I guess you can say, and then the leaves get stuck on that. But it still eventually sucks them up, or if not, just move it with your hand. It sucks right up, and it's no problem. You just keep moving. There it is. I know I was gonna be able to show you guys the leaf blowing part of it, but I actually got it going pretty soon. But if you guys would like to see that, let me know, and I can make another video for you guys. But yeah, my final thoughts. Honestly, I actually really enjoy the machine. If you guys like the video, I would like I said, I'm gonna put the link in the description. You guys can check it out. I think it's pretty cool. It's only like $90 on Amazon right now, and I liked it. Is it faster than the leaf blowing? And I don't know if necessarily. I had to time it, but I feel like it might be. I mean, the amount of leaves you guys saw today, it's usually, I don't normally let it go to that bad, I guess. But the problem, well, not the problem, but what happened was I knew I was going to purchase something for leaves. I just didn't know what. So I kind of let the leaves build up. So whatever I did buy, I would test it out. Another thing I was looking into was, I think it was called a lawn sweeper or something like that. Kind of looks like a manual mower. You push and it sweeps up all their stuff. That was another thing I was kind of looking into, but the reason I went with this one is because it has a mulcher inside as well. So I liked how it's going to pick up your leaves, mulch them, and just throw them in your trash can. And I feel like it does save you room in your trash can, because without the mulching, this trash probably would have been full a long time ago, just from the amount of leaves I had today. But yeah, guys, other than that, like I said, I think it works really well. Obviously, I think the main one downside is it has to be corded. So depending on your size of your lawn, you might need a very long extension cord. I had 100-foot and it worked fine for me at least. If you have a bigger yard than that, I don't know how it would work out. You might have multiple extension cords. They do have battery option ones. I just don't know how good they are. The other one I saw was Ryobi, but the ratings were not good on that one for some reason. I believe it was a Ryobi 40 volt. Yeah, for some reason this one had a much better review. So I was like, well, let me get something that I'm gonna get. And plus Ryobi, I believe, was a little bit more expensive. This one was only, like I said, $89 on Amazon. So it was a pretty good deal. I actually really like it, so this is definitely gonna come in handy. I'm definitely gonna be using it back here. But that'll be it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.